What's it, guys? It's your boy Bebeto Williams, and in this video I'm going to weigh the pros and cons, like the advantage and the disadvantage of focusing on only one pair. As you already know, I focus on only one pair, which is GBP USD. So the reason why I focus on only one pair is because basically one of my mentor, which is Jeffrey Benson, focused on only one pair. So it just made me automatically just focus on only one pair, which is GBP USD. And the strategy I use, which is trend line, psychological levels, high and low of the week, and chart patterns, do work very well on GBP USD. So there is no need of me going to go and look for another pair to use these patterns. So I just focus on GBP USD. And the second advantage of focusing on only one pair is that it just give you mastery over that pair. Just imagine you wake up every day, you hit, you pray, you eat, you go to your laptop, go to your chat, and you're just sitting down with that pair every single day consistently for a year, for 2 years, for 3 years. You get to know some patterns, you get to know how the market moves, how the market reacts at a particular time, at a particular session, at a particular period. So that's why focus on only one pair is very good. And there is a saying, a Bruce Lee say that said this: he does not fear a man that has 10,000 kicks, but he fears a man that has 1,000 kicks over a particular place. And tell me, the advantage of focusing on only one pair just gives you rest and peace of mind. So you just know that when you're back testing, when you're looking at the charts, you just have only one pair in your mind that yes, this is just the only pair that is giving me money. And truth be told, only one pair can give you the large amount of money that you need in this life. Yeah. And I've seen the results in my mentor, which is Jeffrey Benson. Just focus on only one pair, which is GBP USD. The disadvantage of focusing on just one pair is that maybe your setup might not come that day. You might not see a setup for that day, or for a week, or for 3 days. Yeah, but basically, as I'm trading GBP USD, I haven't seen that at all happen, because every day I go to the chart, I always see my setup, just natural setups that will come. Because one thing about GBP USD is that it's always from an M or W pattern. So that's why I just focus on every single day when I hit the charts. But there are some pairs that might not give you the right setups, or due to your strategy, might not give you the right setup in a day or weeks or months. So that's why people tend to move to one pair or have different pairs they do trade. It's safe to say that trading one pair is very important. Like focus on just only one pair is very important. It's going to give you peace of mind, no stress, just being a master of one pair and not just focus on only one pair, and save yourself the stress of jumping from one pair to another or having too many pairs. I'm not saying that anybody that's trading too many pairs are not making money. Please, my own opinion, I just believe that trading one pair is better. Yeah, basically. Because most people always ask me, why do I just focus on one pair? Why do I just focus on GBP USD? I said, these are the reasons why I just focus on GBP USD. No other reasons. It's not as if GBP USD have some secrets, but it's just that I just want clarity, I just want simple things, I just want easy life, I just want something I will not stress my life at all. That's it basically. Let's go. Shaya!